Hello, and welcome back to Learn English Slow for Beginners. Relax and enjoy lesson 27. There is no need to memorize. You are doing really well. Now, listen to the English words for today. Just listen. School, class, lesson, teacher, student, book, page, pen, paper, test, exam, result. Okay, listen to the English words again and repeat them after me. School, school, class, class, lesson, lesson, teacher, teacher, student, student, book, book, page, page, pen, pen, paper, paper, test, test, exam, exam, result, result. Now we can make some joined words. You can repeat them if you like. School teacher, English class, good lesson, woman teacher, student work, workbook, book page, small pen, exam paper, test result, hard exam, bad result, good. Now, just listen. Today we have an English test at school. The teacher is in the class already. The exam paper is long, but easy to understand. We hope for a good result. Now, listen to this simple story using all of the words. Today, John and Mary go to school. They walk inside the class. The teacher is a good woman. She says, "Open your book to page 1. Every student listens to the teacher. John gets his pen and paper. Now the morning lesson starts. They must take a small test today. It is not a big exam. The students answer the questions. Later, they get a good result. Now, they feel happy together. Finally, Let us hear the English words one more time. School, class, lesson, teacher, student, book, page, pen, paper, test, exam, result. Okay, that is all for today. Well done. Rest now, and I will see you for the next lesson. If you enjoyed this lesson, you can like, share, and subscribe.